Welcome back, everyone. It's great to have you with me once again. Whether you are a regular viewer or joining us for the first time, thank you for being here. In today's video, we are going to explore a topic that is rapidly changing the way investors and traders look at the stock market: the use of artificial intelligence or AI in trading and investing. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It is already being used to analyze enormous amounts of market data, identify patterns, track news and sentiment, screen companies, manage portfolios, and even generate trading signals. But here's the important question: can AI actually make us better investors and traders? Or are we simply giving a fancy name to another set of tools? Today we'll look at how AI can help us, where it can genuinely add value, its limitations and risks, and most importantly, how an ordinary investor can practically use AI to make better informed decisions in the equity market. So let's get started and see whether AI is going to become the investor's most powerful assistant or just another piece of market noise. Whether you are a beginner taking your first steps in the stock market or an experienced investor looking for an edge, this video will show you how AI can become a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your judgment, but a tool to help you make more informed decisions. Imagine having an assistant that can analyze 5,000 companies, read hundreds of news articles, study years of financial statements, and summarize everything in seconds. That's exactly what artificial intelligence is making possible for today's investors. But can AI really help you become a better trader? Let's find out. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is changing the way investors and traders research companies, analyze charts, interpret financial statements, monitor market news, and build wealth over the long term. Can AI identify winning stocks before they become popular? Can it analyze thousands of companies in seconds? Can it help traders spot opportunities, manage risk, and make better investment decisions? The answer may surprise you. So sit back and let's explore the fascinating world where finance meets artificial intelligence. Let's get started. AI is changing everything from how we shop, how we work, and now how we invest and trade in the stock market. But what does that actually mean? Today, I'll take you inside a detailed story driven journey of how AI helps a long term investor and a short term trader, step by step, moment by moment. By the end, you'll see how AI can become your smartest research partner, your risk manager, and even your behavioral coach. Before we split into investor versus trader, let's understand what AI actually brings to the table. AI has four superpowers. One, it digests massive data: prices, fundamentals, news, social media, filings. Two, it finds patterns humans miss: nonlinear relationships, hidden signals. 3. It works at superhuman speed, scanning thousands of stock in seconds. 4. It learns continuously, adapting to new market regimes. These superpowers change how decisions are made, how risks are managed, and how opportunities are discovered. For a long term investor, the biggest challenge is filtering the noise. AI helps by scanning the entire market and surfacing companies that match your style, quality, value, growth, or improving fundamentals. It can even detect every signals: rising sentiment, improving earnings revisions, or quiet accumulation. AI reads annual reports, earnings calls, and filings, thousands of pages in seconds. It summarizes risks, strategy shifts, and even changes in management tone. It also compares companies side by side, giving you a clear picture of strengths and weaknesses. Picking stocks is only half the game. AI helps investors understand factor exposures, value, growth, momentum, quality, and how the portfolio behaves under different scenarios. It can simulate interest rate shocks, inflation spikes, or sector rotations and suggest rebalancing options. AI can analyze your past trades and reveal patterns you didn't know existed. Selling winners too early, averaging down losers, or panic selling during volatility. It becomes a behavioral mirror, nudging you toward better long term discipline. For investors who prefer simplicity, AI powers robo advisors that build diversified portfolios and rebalance automatically. It can even create personalized indices tailored to your values, risk tolerance, and tax needs. For traders, AI analyzes intraday price action, order books, volatility, and sentiments to detect patterns that historically led to short term moves. It identifies market regimes, trending, mean reverting, high volatility, and adapts signals accordingly. Even if you have an edge, execution matters. AI powered execution algorithms minimize slippage, detect hidden liquidity, and route orders intelligently across venues. AI continuously monitors intraday risk like VAR, correlations, volatility spikes, and alerts traders when exposure becomes dangerous. It can even auto adjust position sizes based on real time conditions. AI reads news, earnings releases, and social sentiment instantly. It classifies events as positive or negative and estimates likely price impact, giving traders a crucial information edge. AI helps traders backtest strategies across different market regimes, detect overfitting, and monitor live performance. If a strategy's edge decays, AI can reduce capital or pause it automatically. Whether you are an investor or a trader, AI gives you better information, cleaner insights, more consistent decision making tools once reserved for hedge funds. AI doesn't replace human judgment, it amplifies it. AI isn't magic. It can overfit, misread data, or create false confidence. Models can crowd into the same trades, increasing volatility. And complex systems can be hard to explain. AI is powerful, but it needs human oversight. AI is transforming the equity markets, not by replacing investors and traders, but by empowering them. If you learn to use AI as a partner, not a prediction machine, you will make smarter decisions, manage risk better, and stay ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves markets as much as you do.